Hi, I'm Ari Harkov with the Harkov-Lewis team at Brown Harris Stevens, and we're here today to visit 319 Prospect Place, Penthouse B.
Penthouse B epitomizes luxury living, boasting European white oak engineered wood floors and surface mount bedroom light fixtures that accentuate the modern ambiance. On the main floor, the gourmet kitchen is a culinary enthusiast's dream, featuring white quartz countertops, painted wood shaker cabinetry, and panel-ready appliances seamlessly integrated for a sleek aesthetic. The expansive living dining space provides the perfect backdrop for entertaining guests or simply unwinding in style, while an adjacent bedroom can function as an extension of your living space. Both the bedroom and living room open up to a huge private terrace that expands the possibilities of indoor-outdoor living. Indulge in the utmost comfort with 3 full bathrooms adorned with honed Carrara marble tile and electric heated tile floors exuding timeless elegance. 2 spacious bedrooms, including a primary with a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom, and additional office space or den, are located on the 2nd floor of the home. The masterpiece of this luxurious penthouse is on the 3rd floor, where you will find an immense private rooftop terrace with city skyline views.
Immerse yourself in the lush greenery of Prospect Park. With easy access to transportation and an abundance of amenities at your fingertips, Prospect Heights epitomizes the quintessential Brooklyn lifestyle. Again, I'm Ari Harkov with the Harkov-Lewis team, and I hope you've enjoyed this tour today of Penthouse A, located at 319 Prospect Place. If you'd like to schedule an in-person visit, kindly contact me or any members of the team, and we'll be thrilled to get you in.